Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm with Sean, and today we're gonna see what's inside
A broken iPhone.
iPhone 4.
A broken iPhone 4.
Yeah, a broken iPhone 4.
Okay,
So we're taking the screen off.
Oh my.
Dang, Daniela.
What?
Sean, don't keep that off. Just look at that. It's like a mirror. Hey guys.
You can use this little.
Hey guys, that's my new iPhone 4. Yeah,
That's the screen.
Let's just look at this. So cool.
Oh, the home button. Hey, is that a magnet?
Look right there. That's
It is a magnet.
Oh, there it is. So,
I'll show you it later.
okay, so let's go to our drop zone. Okay, guys, we are going to the drop zone. Okay, so we're gonna.
Oh
No.
my, that is sticky. Right here.
Look, that's so sticky.
You're showing the phone.
Right. Okay, so this is what we got. Well, not we got. We just took the screen off, basically. Okay, I am on top of my mom's old van that does not work. Okay, so here's the iPhone. Okay. Okay, so now Sean is gonna stand wherever he stands. I don't know if he's gonna stand on top of the car or not, or he's just gonna throw it up in the air. So I'm gonna slow-mo this just like the other clip. So here we go.
Is this slow-mo? Whoa, I found the SD card!
No,
That's it!
there's nothing to speak of right there. No. Oh, look at this. Watch. When you poke it, see all those dots when you poke it?
Oh my god.
Okay, so Sean's doing something right there. Pretty sure that's not the SD card.
Ow, sticky.
So, like, Sean's just, like, lifting the whole thing up. So sick right now.
I'm gonna throw it.
So, hey, guys, like, it is literally, like, all coming apart once you take that little piece off. Well, not little, but look, it's literally, like, coming all apart. There's
Oh my
Whoa! He was just, like, pop. Is that the SD card? Wait, no, that still has the signal, look. Apple A4. It says,
Oh, that means it's an iPhone 4.
yeah, I told you it's an iPhone 4. It says, whoa. It just like chopped off. Okay, so I'll be back in. Okay, so we literally just took it all apart. So Sean, gather up all the stuff to. Ooh, is this the So gather up all. Okay, so like we just took this all apart. So this is what's left. That's the back of it. This is the battery. That's the back of it. That is the battery. That is supposed to be the front of it, or the middle part. Random metal pieces.
This is the home button.
The camera.
The home button.
Home button.
Lens.
Lens of the back.
The knife used to break up all of that. And this is the film on the screen. And here is the
Yep. See you in the video, guys. Subscribe for more and smash that like button.
Tommy, this is real gold.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Comment down below. So if you want to see anything else on my YouTube channel, and there's one girl recommendation that I said last time. Her name will be like right there, I think. That she shouted us out to do a challenge, and we promise we will get to that. So goodbye. Hey guys. So we didn't know what to do with the battery because if the garbage man picks it up and he drops it really bad somewhere on hard concrete, it could explode, and we don't want that. So we are gonna bury it. This is gonna be sad. Okay, so we are burying it right there. It's not that deep of a hole, but R.I.P. iPhone 4 battery. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone. Oh, that's the same. 13. Oh yeah. So.
Okay, so.
2 seconds later, I am perfectly fine. I don't freaking care. So we're going back in the house. Okay. Tommy, get in here.
I am.
Okay, so. Oh, I haven't mentioned him in a video. He's been in one video, I'm pretty sure. Or two. So I haven't mentioned him. He's been in probably one video. And that is Tommy. We met about.
He's a new member of the squad.
Month ago, probably.
Yeah.
And.
Hi.
Yeah, so he's been in one or two videos of ours. I don't really know. I think one.
Yeah. The background of the fidget spinner one.
Yeah, background of the fidget spinner one. So by the time this is uploaded, he's probably been in more. So yeah. Maybe. And
Okay, so.
see you guys. R.I.P. battery. Smash smash that like button and subscribe for more.